13 types of vitamins, 13 main types of minerals, and innumerable trace minerals, and each of them affecting our body in different ways. Are you sure you are not deficient of these vitamins and minerals? How can you know and keep yourself away from diseases? Well, not so tough. We'll soon find out. But before we go ahead, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates. Now, before getting down to discussing micronutrients, let's remind ourselves that it's macronutrients, that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fiber, and water that are actually required in large quantities, usually in grams per day, to build our body and gain energy. In contrast, however, micronutrients are needed by our body in minuscule quantities measurable in milligrams or even micrograms on daily basis. So why does our body need them and where to find them? Let's understand in the following steps. 1. Mass and energy provided by the macronutrients needs to be channelized first by breaking them down and then by resynthesizing them into innumerable juices, secretions, and organs. 2. All this biochemical activity may be called metabolism that consists of millions of biochemical reactions in our body. 3. Micronutrients and trace elements, that is, vitamins and minerals, participate in these reactions either directly or as catalysts to regulate growth and development, enhance nutritional value of food, and provide immunity against diseases. 4. Vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble and stored in our body fats, whereas vitamin C and B complex, a group of 8 vitamins, are water-soluble and needed on a daily basis as they are drained out of the body through urinary system. 5. Minerals such as calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, and phosphorus, and trace minerals such as iron, manganese, copper, and zinc are needed by the body in micro quantities. 6. Vitamins are organic chemicals found in the food we eat, whereas minerals are found in soil and water. They find their way into our body either directly or through food. 7. Just as vitamin A is responsible for cell development of skin, nails, and gums, vitamin D is responsible for calcium absorption for stronger bones and teeth, and so on. 8. Likewise, minerals play their respective part in regulating bones, muscles, nerves, cell repair, digestive juices, and countless other biochemical reactions inside our body. And now, without getting into too many details, let's ask, what happens if our body lacks micronutrients? Well, we call that situation vitamin or mineral deficiency, and its results can range from simply bad to devastating. Depending upon the nature and type of deficiency, we may suffer from low immunity and innumerable diseases relating to bones, muscles, nerves, digestion, blood, and so on. Also, when our body becomes deficient in any nutrient, doctors usually prescribe required supplements to suffice. So how do we keep track of our daily intake of innumerable vitamins and minerals, and also relate them to our diet? The good thing is that we don't have to, because when we eat, we don't eat nutrients, we eat food. So let's focus on these 4 simple rules for healthy nutrient intake. Rule 1. Minimum 50% of our diet should be seasonal fruits, green vegetables, and nuts, which are the biggest and the most balanced source of both micro and macronutrients. Other 50% may be a choice of plant food, animal food, and dairy. Rule 2. Minimize negative foods such as sugar, fried food, oils, refined flours, red meats, also synthetic and processed foods. Rule 3. Diversify food, which means to include different colors of fruits, vegetables and nuts, because more color usually means diverse nutrients. Rule 4. Keep a check on staple diet, whether bread, rice or meat, because excess of routine food is the biggest cause of deficiencies. Well, isn't that simple? So why do we need to know about micronutrients and deficiencies at all? For more awareness so that the supplement pushers cannot fool us, and also to have a great dinner time conversation.
At Rich Life, we do not motivate but increase awareness and understanding of common concepts that define life. Understanding is self-motivating. So come join us on this journey today. Please do like, share, sign up and press the bell icon to opt for notifications.